kamusta kamuda? Ano ng oras? Subong sa inyong ginalantaw ini nga ako niya video. And of course, I would like to inform you all nga 1,000 subscriber na kita. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers na kita diri sa channel. Kita mo pati ang mga dogs happy. Tani happy ka man for me. Kaya ako happy for you. And yun, for this video, nakita ko na gitman ang mga, uy, patay tayo nito. Tagalog pala. Wait. I posted last October in our group pages that if you have any questions, please drop down a comment and I will answer it in a Q&A vlog. And ngayon ko lang siya nahanap yung mga peaceful, yung mga questions ng mga kasamahan ko. So, before I begin answering their questions, thank you so much for subscribing in this channel. At kung bago ka pa lang dito, please click the subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll get notified in my next video. Of course, Gahud! Alright. To begin with, I would like to give a big shout out to my IYCC family! To my PBV family! Yeah! And to the VYP community! Alright! Without you guys, I won't be able to reach 1,000 subscribers in the month of March kung saan anniversary month ko ngayon! Yes, my sister was right. Makukuha mo na yung 1,000 subscribers ngayong anniversary month mo. Yes! And yeah, because of you guys, those who are watching me right now, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And yes, there we go. So for our first question, this came from Solomon E. Magdadaro Jr. Are you vlogging in public na? Hehe. Yes po, Solomon. I'm already vlogging in public, and actually my first vlog was in public, and this was my paano ba? Hirap mag-explain in Tagalog, grabe. Yeah, yun. Kasi based on my personality, mas makakapag-express ako ng sarili ko outside with people than staying inside your room na mag-isa ka lang. Compared to most of the vloggers started indoor, then eventually lumabas for public, wherein yung comfort zone nila is inside the room. Ako, hindi ko siya comfort zone talaga yung I feel like trapped inside a small place, inside the room na nakikipag-usap ka sa invisible, and you don't know how would the other party react on you based on what you are saying. So for me, I started in public kasi yun yung comfortable zone ko. And if you have noticed, meron akong kasama parate. So that gives me nagpapagaan siya ng aking it makes me feel better na alam mo yung may kinakausap ka and merong camera sa harap mo na nakikinig sa usapan nyo. So yun, I'm vlogging in public na, then I use that public I don't know na talaga. For the first question, it came from Solomon E. Magdadaro Jr. And his question is, are you vlogging in public na? Hehe. Yes, I am vlogging in public na. Yes. Actually, my first ever vlog was in public. Yeah. Yes, and for our first question, it comes from Solomon E. Magdadaro Jr. Are you vlogging in public na? Hehe. Yes, Solomon, I am already vlogging in public. And actually, yung first vlog ko is nasa public ako. Compared to nakasanayan for our first question, it comes from Solomon E. Magdadaro Jr. And his question is, are you vlogging in public na? It depends naman on your personality. Ako kasi masanay akong nasa harap ng tao. That's why I'm comfortable if I do my vlogs in public. It took me months before I had my first video na sit-in video. I had a hard time because orientation ko talaga is being a performer in front of the audience, in front of the crowd, public speaking, ganyan. So, mas komportable ako and mas nako-conscious ako pag walang nanunood sa akin na tao. Kaya, yun. Yes, I do public vlogs na and I actually started in public. Then, with that experience, I am able to conquer actually my fear in facing the camera and talking to the camera and making indoor vlogs or sit-in videos. Yon. Hirap pala. Ang hirap. Tagal ko na din hindi nakapag-sit-in video. Man, parang bumalik yung yung takot ko. Okay, so who inspired you to start vlogging? Who inspired me? From Dominic Palma Jacinto. Ang layo. Grabe. This would take me an hour to tell you the story. Who inspired me to start vlogging? Kasi at first, tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, I'm a performer, a theater actor. And actually, nung bata pa ako, yung dream ko talaga is maging actor sa TV. Maging artista, in short. Come on, guys! Yung gusto maging artista. But then, kasi malayo din tayo sa showbiz industry, so we were not given that opportunity to go and have a career in the showbiz industry. Because of that dream, I keep on doing my best na kahit papaano ma-fulfill yung dream na yon. And last year, 2019, I was able to meet vloggers here in Iloilo, wherein I found out that one of the vloggers na kasama ko is a big fan of Will Dasovich. So, I was able to watch one of the interviews of Will wherein he said he also want to be an artista originally, but he was not given contract or opportunity to do so. So, kaysa magmukmuk siya, he made his own show, went to YouTube, upload his video, and now, a professional vlogger. So, yun. So, dahil sa interview yun ni Will, and I saw myself in his position, yung nag-a-aspire din na maging artista, and kung wala nga, tama nga naman, if there's no opportunity, then ikaw mismo ang mag-create ng opportunity for yourself. And thankfully, there's YouTube now that could make our dreams come true. Yan. So, grabe. I don't wanna be emotional. Yeah. Okay, let's go for question number 3 from Joaquin De Los Reyes. Who influenced you to do vlogs? Yun nga, influence to do vlogs. Actually, my influence sa pagbablog ko, hindi kasi sila vloggers eh. If you have noticed, the pattern of my vlogs are like talk shows. Yes, I am highly influenced by talk show hosts, Boy Abunda, Chris Aquino, Tony Gonzaga. Nung tumanda na ako, kahit papaano, nung lumaki na ako, kahit maliit pa rin ako, no, I'm Corina Sanchez, Jessica Soho, Ayun. So, I'm more influenced by talk show hosts. Kasi, yun nga, going back to the second question, gusto ko talagang mag-showbiz, maging artista, and maging talk show host, actually. So, yun. So, with YouTube, I was able to create my channel. And dapat, yung original ko talagang, plan to have my channel, yun, yung Hello Miss B ko na episode, yun talaga solely yung magiging laman ng channel ko. Kaso, of course, we get to learn how YouTube analytics work, how YouTube algorithm works, and sabi niya, you have to upload more and more videos pa at least tumaas yung ranking natin at lumabas sa mga suggested videos yung ating ginawang at pinaghirapan ng mga videos. So, if I am to follow the rules of YouTube, sabi ko, if I get to produce my own show at once a month lang siya, malamang I won't be able to reach 1,000 subscribers in the span of 1 year. Yeah! Yun talaga yun. This is a celebration vlog kasi 1,000 na tayo! Yun. And my last question, I got only 4 questions. Ito from Herm's Journal. Choose only one vlogger or indie film director. Ito pa ang isang tanong na isang sagot lang. Kailangan pa diba magkwento ulit? Oh, diba? When I started vlogging, actually, my channel, way back ago, started 2012. Yung kapatid ko talaga yung nag-introduce sa akin ng YouTube. Siya ang mahilig manood ng mga videos. Siya yung mahilig magnood ng mga vlogs. Siya mahilig manood ng mga tutorials. And pinipitch niya lang yan sa akin most of the time. Most kung anong meron ako ngayon dahil yun sa influence niya sa buhay ko. Then, when I watch these videos, usually, mahilig kami kasing kumain. Obvious ba? So, nanonood siya ng mga tutorial cooking videos and she would tell me na, hey, let's make a vlog. Let's cook din. Meron kami actually page. That's Balda's Kitchen. Kaso pictures lang. We were not able to make videos that time. Then, I started my YouTube channel. Aside from being an actor, isang dream ko maging singer. But unfortunately, I was not given that beautiful voice to sing, except a beautiful voice to talk to you. Yay! O, diba? So, yun. So, my mga first videos ko actually sa YouTube was me singing. Pero walang mukha kasi takot talaga ako mag-face sa camera. Even if I have classmates who would take pictures, hindi talaga ako nagpapa-picture, hindi ako nagpapa-video because that was one of, hindi ko naman siya fear, pero hindi siya talaga nasa personality ko to have to take pictures, to take videos. So, wala talaga siya. Pero, yung desire ko na maging artista, 100% and 1, yun yung nag-push sa akin. 2017, my sister forwarded me a link. Merong workshop sa Iloilo. So, I joined that workshop. It's a crash course in filmmaking. So, I started being an indie film director 2017. After I graduated, I attended another acting workshop. Then, there, I realized na, man, if I really want to be an actor, I have to be comfortable with the camera. So, I have to work it out. Patayuin mo ko sa harap ng maraming tao, wala tayong problema. Pero, pag isang tao lang yung kausap ko, nanginginig talaga ako. Pag camera pa ang kausap ko, patay tayo. That's why I started in public vlogs kasi mas nawawala yung takot ko pag may nakikita. Kahit hindi tayo nakikipag-usap sa ibang tao dyan, sa mga strangers na. Pero yung alam mo na kahit pa paano, kahit hindi ka nila naiintindihan, may nakikinig sa'yo, may nakikichismis sa'yo. No, diba? So, it makes me more comfortable than like in this situation na, oh man, I'm just alone. Diba? And of course, I know that you are in front of me, but I could still don't know how would you react to my videos right now. Kasi, kumbaga, hindi siya real time yung magiging reaction na makukuha mo sa mga videos na nagagawa natin. So, if I want to be a successful film actor, I have to make myself comfortable in front of the camera. So, I found vlogging as a tool for me to effectively exercise my talent from stage going on film. Ibang dimension, dun sa workshop, natutunan ko na ibang dimension yung pagiging theater actor compared to a film actor. So, that started 2018. I met one of my classmates. Shout out kita, Paul. Si Paul, nagkita kami sa Cebu. Doon kami nakapag-usap. Sabi niya, hey, why? Kasi alam na niya na nag-film ako. My intention of my vlog, of my channel, was to be from a hidden singer, you know. It became a portfolio na of my film. Supposed to be 2017, magiging film blog channel siya. So, if I get the chance to travel, I would produce a film, then upload it in my YouTube channel. So, magiging film blog siya. 2018, here comes Paul, Mr. Paul Ocana, introduced me to the world of vlogging. Sabi niya, uy, kita mo, si Alex Gonzaga nagva-vlog, why don't you vlog na din? Wait lang. Medyo vlog, wait lang. Like, diba? Hi! Pa ako, sabi ko, medyo hindi ko pa siya time, hindi pa ako sanay. For now, yung goal ko is to create films and upload it to my YouTube channel as a film director. Pero, it was a process that I also considered. 2019, na-meet ko naman, nagkita ko si Ilonggo dad, kasi workmates kami before, and he was the one who introduced me naman to the community of Ilonggo vloggers. So, yun, doon ako napaisip, oh man, marami na pala ditong vloggers sa Iloilo. So, it's not an isolated case. O, diba? Parang COVID. It's not, hindi lang pala siya like, no man, because it's Alex Gonzaga. Why would I diba? Pag nung 2018, pero like 2019, hala, it exists. Dito sa Iloilo, may vlogging community pala. Doon ko na, ay, sige, I think eto na yung time, eto na yung calling na seseryosohin ko yung YouTube ko. So I uploaded my first episode ng Hello Miss Me. Yes, so March 1 ako nag-first episode. After that, here comes 1 year na tayo. Nakahit na tayo ng first requirement ni YouTube. And if I would choose one, a vlogger or indie filmmaker, actually ngayon medyo nababad trip ako kasi dahil sa nangyari sa atin, nakat yung 2 shoot, tapos may 2 application ako for a film workshop, pero nakalimutan ko na dahil medyo naging busy sa kakapanood ng balita. The desire is actually to become an indie film director. Pero sa ngayon, yung priority ko, dahil nag-iba na nag-enjoy, kumbaga nag-enjoy na ako sa pag-YouTube, nag-enjoy na ako sa pag-vlog. Aside from my show, I started vlogging na already. And thank you so much sa aking mga sponsors last year. Thank you so much for all your support, sa trust na binigay nyo sa akin. And I saw the bridge between my passion to be a performer, to be an actor, and the opportunity to earn or have YouTube as a profession. So, dahil sa bridge na nakita ko with the use of YouTube, honestly speaking now, I think if I... ang hirap. 2020, vlogger. Focus muna ako ngayon sa pagiging vlogger this 2020. My ultimate goal is to act and produce my film as an indie filmmaker. Yun, grabe Hers! Ang hirap! Ang hirap talaga! Sana tinanong mo na lang ako kung gusto kita mo hindi. Actually, sabi ko 2019, vlog all the way, vlog 2020. I'll go into film, but I think based on what's happening around, I'm not into film siguro ngayong year na to. So if God wills that I am able to produce a film this year, by the end of this year, by the end of 2020, then I'm really thankful for Him. Pero for now, I believe He plans me to be with you this 2020 as a vlogger. There you go! Hindi ako iyak! Yes, but then, yeah, gusto ko umiyak. So once again, I would like to thank everyone who supported me from very beginning. I don't know kung sino man ang naging subscriber ko way back 2012. I really don't know. I actually have videos. Yung mga first videos ko talaga na shoot. Kasama ko isa kong kaibigan na hindi, mas maganda yung boses niya. Pero alam ko, aspiring singer din. Marami kami videos na kumakanta. Yun yung plan ko na i-upload sa YouTube. Buti na lang hindi ko siya na-upload. Baka mawalan ako ng isang matalik na kaibigan. Pero try ko, i-upload ko yun. Ayan, so thank you so much for staying with me for a year, and I hope to have you until the next years to come. Magiging iba man ang tatahaking landas ng ating channel. Hindi natin alam. Malamang sa mga susunod na buwan, ala pelikula yung ating ma-upload na videos. Hindi ko din to alam. O mananatiling vlog na look yung ating channel. Or eventually, magiging formal po yung ating talk show sa channel na ito. We still don't know. I just wish you all that you stay healthy, you stay strong, and you keep on supporting me until the end. Matatapos din to yung crisis na pinagdadaanan natin, and just stay healthy. Yun! I just ate my soup that was cooked by my aunt. Dito ako sa Rojas, and hindi ako makakapag-celebrate kasama ng mother ko at ng bubuit. Medyo malungkot, but I got you in front of me. I got you watching my vlog, so no need for me to worry and be sad because you are there to support me, guys. And my mother is also watching my video, and my sister is watching my video, and they watch my live. For those na nag-watch ng live ko, thank you so much for staying, for watching, and joining me in that moment na medyo wow talaga ako 2 days ago. And now, eto, medyo kalmado na tayo, di ba? Kalmado ng very slight. Yun, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for staying with me. Like my page na rin lang. And yung raffle natin, alam ko, I'll link down our raffle for our road to 1,000 subscribers. I-activate na po natin. For those na sasali, meron pa po tayong 7 lucky winners for our surprise McDonald's menu. Yes po. So all you have to do is watch that video, that episode, yung birthday episode ko po sa ating Hello Miss B. Then you leave a comment doon sa certain na video na yon na ilalink ko sa baba, and yan na, diba? Easy. Share it to your friends doon sa Facebook page nyo and tag me. That's Rubeinspired Ilonggo vlogger page. That's it. Thank you so much. And I'm just so happy. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, Rubeinspired! Bye guys!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo
sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimti. Rubeinspired!